Hi, my name is Greg Palya. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I want to talk about spray foam roofs and in the state of Florida and just go over some of the pros and cons so you can make the best decision for your building. The first pro is energy savings. So spray foam has the greatest R value of any roofing insulation per square inch. Florida is very hot. You're going to use the air conditioning, more than most states, and you want to keep as much of that cool air in your building as possible. So spray foam roof is going to keep that cool air in and keep it inside your building. Next thing is wind uplift. Wind uplift potential. So 40% of hurricanes come through the state of Florida. Certainly you want to keep your roof on and you want to be able to withstand high wind. There's tons of information on the blog post about certain laws, building codes. Florida even has, in Broward County and Miami-Dade County, even have their own set of building codes because of the high velocity hurricane zones that are there. So please go to the blog post and learn more about it there. So certainly wind uplift's a huge thing if you want to have a roof in Florida. And the next pro is it's renewable. So a spray foam roof will have coating on top of it. After 10 or 15 years, the coating will wear down real thin. And you just clean the roof and put more coating on and it'll keep lasting. So, the words we use around here is spray foam roof could be the last roof you ever put on your building. So definitely a total pro there instead of ripping your roof off, after 20 or 30 years. But there's some cons. One con is overspray. So Florida, it's super windy. When the spray foam's on the roof, it's great with wind uplift, but just the initial application of getting the spray foam on the roof, you don't want it to be windy because it'll overspray. It can go on cars, buildings, windows, etc. You can always remove the chemicals on there, no problem at all, but a roofing contractor will take certain measures to make sure it doesn't happen. They'll use a burlap sack, they'll spray inside of a cage, they'll physically hold windscreens to prevent overspray. They use car covers, they use a couple of different things, but it's just a certain wrench in the project that other roofing systems won't have. And the next thing is willingness to change. So, a lot of building owners, they grew up, tar and gravel guys or metal guys or rubber guys. And if you're not willing to change and do some research and see what else is out there, spray foam roof just isn't going to be for you. So that's it for today. Hopefully you learned at least one thing new. There's a lot of stuff in this blog post here, a lot of resources. There's a roof wind designer. You can go on there and see certain building codes and wind potential you need. So please go to the blog post. It's in the description there. And hopefully you learned at least one thing new today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.